The sadhana of Gayatri is worship of supreme knowledge. It is our firm belief that those who worship Gayatri will never be lacking in spiritual enlightenment and worldly happiness. पंडित श्री राम शर्मा आचार्य. बुक टाइटल सिद्धिदायक साधनाओं के परीक्षित प्रयोग. टेस्टेड एक्सपेरिमेंट्स ऑन फ्रक्टिफाइंग sadhana practices. Are there any practical benefits of Gayatri sadhana? As we know that the tiniest of the seed has the potential to grow as a giant tree, a microchip can record a humongous volume of data. While the first example is from nature and the second one is from the world of technology and computer science. In a same vein, one wonders if there is something similar that exists, that is, tiniest of size but an enormous potential, that could provide humans with happiness and wisdom? The answer is yes, the Gayatri Mantra. Gayatri Mantra is the quintessence of spiritual science. This power-packed 24-lettered mantra upon expansion sees no boundary, and the same can be expanded and utilized per our requirement. Since time immemorial, one of the signs of evolution has been growing through learning and learning through mistakes, which converges that one needs to perform some activity to commit an error. Since this is a smart age, innovative work eliminates mistakes already committed and replicates the correct decisions taken in the past. This is the precise objective of this book. In this book, the author has explained how Gayatri sadhana is beneficial in multiple ways and how grasping and following it will always lead to light, eliminating the negativity, hopelessness and indiscipline from life. The author further suggests a most simplistic approach and has given all the possible liberty to overcome common and practical impediments so that anyone can follow the recommended guidelines for performing Gayatri sadhana and has eventually guaranteed fruitful results. The book's initial few chapters describe the power of Gayatri Mantra and its multidimensional benefits that even the Devatas, energy forces said to be residing inside every human, have been utilizing. The book then further progresses into its central idea of yajna, fire worship, and how connecting through yajna makes us a part of a universal circuit through which we automatically get our energy. Finally, the book concludes on how power is generated and transferred, and the same can be channelized for the betterment of society and self. Excerpts from the book. Hairbun Shikha is considered to be a form of Gayatri. Hence, it has been given a position on the crest in any human by sitting on the top of our head. We may call it the flag hoisting of prudence and wisdom. Thought power is the most powerful form of energy. If not channelized properly, it unleashes havoc like a mad elephant. Similarly, to maintain the idealism in human thought process and have a discipline of Gayatri in life, that is the idea behind keeping a hair bun. Anybody can participate and follow the Gayatri sadhana, the practice of worshipping or self-refinement. There is no discrimination based on sex, age, caste, color or creed. There is no scope for negative results, even when the procedure may not have been followed in the correct way unknowingly. The result is directly proportionate to the effort one puts in. There is no possibility of anything going wrong. Even if someone has the slightest of interest, one should try without any confusion. Lessons from Fire Worship Yajna. It teaches several indirect lessons such as, till the time the fire is alive, it will emit light and radiate heat energy. Similarly, those who practice fire worship should be active and share knowledge with those who come in their contact. Like all those who get in close contact with the fire acquire similar or fire-like properties. Similarly, we should act like sandalwood and try to uplift all those who get in close contact with us. As the flames of the fire never go downwards, in the same way, irrespective of the circumstances, we should always move upward and onward. Few topics covered in the book. Experimental benefits of Gayatri practice. Gayatri, a holistic philosophy. The methods of worshipping. Fire worship, a compulsory element of Gayatri worship. Fire worship and its philosophy. Key to mystical powers through yoga practice.